Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can factory reset the Square Cheetah Amazfit watch. First things first, open up the watch by pressing the middle button and then tap the down button to bring up the menu. Now you want to swipe across until you come to the menu on the right hand side, and at the very bottom, I was already down scrolled to the bottom, you'll see settings. Tap settings. Then from here scroll all the way down and at the very bottom you'll see system. From System, scroll down once again and you'll see the button Factory Reset. There it is right there. So Settings, System, scroll all the way down. Then from here, you simply tap the Factory Reset button and it will clear all of your data and all of your settings. You can then select Tick. And the process will then begin. You'll hear the vibration. It'll factory reset the Amazfit Z brand watch. And from there, all of your data has been removed. You can now go on to pass this on to a friend or even to sell it if you so wish. But there you go. That is how to factory reset this watch. It is all of my data is now offered and it's essentially brand new. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe down below.